See this 702 zone on Ethereum here? The 2024 and 2025 rally stopped right inside it, then dumped. Same shape as Bitcoin, Ripple, and Silver before their big runs. Hey everyone, Dollar Currency 21 back again. Today we look at Ethereum, Bitcoin, Ripple, and Silver, starting with Ethereum. Also, follow me on Twitter, Dollar Currency 21. I post my updates there, link below. Now, look at this fib on the weekly. I drew it from the 2021 high near 4800 to the 2022 low near 900. See the 0.5 here around 2850 and the 702 fib around 3650. The 2024 rally tagged the 702 zone near 4100. Then 2025 pushed to about 4900, still inside the zone. Then this year, a dump back down. See this wick down to 1550 here? It swept the demand zone and price bounced. Now we're back at 1900, right at this order block and old support zone. So for me, this 24-25 move is a retrace, not the real bull market, just a pullback inside the bigger range. Okay, so look at Bitcoin here. 2017 to 2020, same fib from the 2018 high near 20k to the bottom. See the zero point 0.5 fib and the 702 Fibonacci level here. In 2019, price rallied into the 702 near 14k. People thought it was a new bull market, but it was just a retrace. Then the COVID low in 2020, right at this higher low near 3800, 3800, and after that, the parabolic run above the fib. So in next chart, Ripple did the same thing. Look at this fib. From the 2018 high near $3.4, price rallied into the zone in 2021 near $2.1. Then it chopped under this zero point 0.5 for 3 years. See these lower lows here? People assumed Ripple was done. Then in late 2024, we broke a structure. See this break of a structure here and these higher highs? A new high above $3.4 after 4 years. And finally silver, same setup. Fib from the 2011 high near 50 to the low near 12. See this 0.5 Fibonacci here around 30. In March 2021, price rallied into the zero point 0.5, then dumped again. People thought silver was done, but it was just a retrace too. Then it rocketed toward $120 in February 2026. So back to Ethereum, look at the weekly here. The impulse up in 2021, then this channel for 4 years. See these equal highs at the top from 4100 to 4900 and this ascending support trend line underneath. Price kept tagging it and bouncing, sweeping the liquidity below. For me, that's a bullish flag on the weekly. You know, if this helped you, subscribe. It helps the channel a lot, guys. Okay, now let's go to Bitcoin. Look at this zone here, the 2021 high around 67 to 70k. Price is at 63.5k inside this zone. The old ATH is now acting as a support. We saw this before. See this lower zone, the 2017 high near 19k. In 2022, price dumped into it and bounced for months. Old resistance becomes support. Price tends to bounce where it once topped. So the 2021 high could be the base now. Not guaranteed, but possible, you know. Maybe we're already close to the bottom. Now look at the 200 weekly moving average here. In 2015, 2018, and COVID, price wicked below it. It came back fast and didn't stay down. Right now, price is at 64k, basically on this average. Look at 2015 here. This little week under the average, same in COVID, and week and back. The exception was 2022. See how long price stayed under it there, you know. But there came with Terra, Three Arrow Capital, Celsius, Voyager collapse, FTX collapse. You remember Sam Bankman-Fried, you know, Silicon Valley Bank bankruptcy, and all of those major things happened. But we don't have that cascade right now. So if we dip below this average again, history says a fast recovery. That's the 200 weekly average. A key bear market level, you know. That's another clue for bottom. Next chart, the Bitcoin doesn't bottom in one candle. See this range in 2019, 19 bar, about 133 days of chop. Sideways market, boring market, you know. And 2022 here, 29 bars, 203 days. Now look at today, 29 bars, 203 days, between 60 and 70 chopping, boring market. Price keeps tagging 60k and 70k and nothing breaks, okay? And that's fine, you know. Boring is normal here. Bottoms take time, and this one already took 200 days. And on-chain, same idea, you know. This line is supply and loss. Coins held below their buy price. When price tagged 57k in June 2026, about 10.8 million coins were in loss. See this spike here, right where the old bottoms printed. 2022 was 10.6 million. 2019 was 10.2 million. And COVID was 9.6 million. So this looks like capitulation again. And now the line is already coming down. Put the four charts together, and I think we're at or very near the bottom. I give it a good chance. We already printed the low. That doesn't mean we'll rip tomorrow. We can chop here for months, you know. Now, here's where I could be wrong. If a weekly candle closes below 57k, the bottom idea is dead. And if a cascade of crisis hit like 2022, I'm out too. No argument. I would step back and wait for lower support. So, quick recap. Ethereum is a retrace in a bullish frag, and BTC looks near a bottom. Are you bullish or bearish? Tell me in the comments. Of course, this is not a financial advice. Do your own research. I hope you enjoyed. follow me on Twitter, and subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Bye.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step.